In this video, you will learn how to correctly calculate expenses if you are a self-employed person. Stay tuned and you will hear what expenses should always be considered. The first thing to mention is always manage your money wisely. Being your own boss means one month's profits could soar, and the next could be very disappointing. Creating a financial plan and budget will be a lifesaver in order to tide you over. Create a budget that includes all your personal expenses and makes it as meaningful as possible. Be sure to include the savings percentage. If the holidays or big purchases are coming up, create an account for these savings goals. Running a business means guaranteed output that will help you stay in a business. Consider business-related expenses that fall into one of the following categories. The first category is advertising and marketing. Paid online advertising, physical product copy, and public relations expenses are just a few examples. Marketing strategies may ebb and flow depending on the time of year, and when your business is most profitable depends on season. The second category is legal advisor. It is always convenient to have legal counsel on call to review contracts or resolve disputes. The next one is office space. If you have a physical location or co-working space, remember to make sure it is factored into your budget. Many young businesses rent a workspace without permanent client flow. As a result, money that could work on your business is wasted, especially if your company consists of 2 people, your dog, and you rented the office with a Central Park view. Let's talk about the next paragraph, transportation. If driving is an important factor for your business, you should set aside money for fuel and maintenance of all vehicles. Last but not least is taxes. Since you're your own boss, it's best to pay your taxes in installments throughout the year. It's much easier to pay quarterly taxes than to pay the IRS a large check in the spring. Save yourself the hassle and stress. Subscribe to the channel and find out useful information about business every day. Build systems to improve your business and productivity. If you haven't learned it yet, the system will be your best friend, not only in business but in life. Streamlining assignments, deliverables, and all work-related tasks set a healthy management precedent. Just because you're self-employed doesn't mean you want to be tied to your job all the time. What happens when you need to take time out of your business? How will you be able to generate revenue and secure business processes as usual? Use the system to give yourself and everyone involved peace of mind. Don't be afraid to embrace new practices and ideals on this entrepreneurial journey. Knowledge is an opportunity that can open you new horizons. You'll quickly learn that what worked great during a business season doesn't work so well anymore. Be open to change and pivot when necessary. If there is one skill that is critical to your business, make sure you invest in yourself and those who contribute to the success of your business. While many of us focus on financial gains in business, it is equally important to recognize quality gains. The day you stop learning is the day your business will perform at its best. Never underestimate the power of investing in you. Follow the links on the screen and enjoy our other videos.